Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best cake rings that are available on the market for their true quality. Whether you're a professional baker or a home enthusiast, these cake rings are designed to make your baking more precise and convenient. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off our countdown at number 5 is the Kiwa Round Mousse Cake Ring Set, a great option for anyone looking for a versatile set of cake rings. This set includes 4 different sizes: 6 inches, 8 inches, 10 inches, and 12 inches, making it ideal for a variety of desserts, from mousse cakes to fruit tarts. The rings are all 3 inches in height, which is perfect for creating layered cakes with clean, professional edges. The build quality here is solid, thanks to the use of 304 stainless steel, which is durable, corrosion-resistant, and free of sharp edges. What sets the Kiwa set apart is its ease of use. Removing cakes from the rings is a breeze, and you can either hand wash them or toss them in the dishwasher for quick and easy cleanup. However, at nearly 4 pounds, the set is a bit heavier than others on this list, which might not be ideal if you're looking for something lightweight. While this set offers excellent build quality and versatility, it lacks some of the finer adjustments found in adjustable rings. It's best suited for bakers who prefer a traditional fixed-size design rather than an adjustable one. With a 4.6-star rating and glowing reviews about its durability, it's a dependable choice, though it's ranked lower due to its weight and limited adjustability. At number 4, we have the Makito Large Round Cake Ring Set, an affordable and versatile option for bakers of all skill levels. This set includes 3 rings in sizes of 4 inches, 6 inches, and 8 inches, each with a 2-inch height. While it's marketed as a cake ring set, it's also highly functional for cookies, pancakes, English muffins, and even craft projects, making it a multi-purpose tool for your kitchen. The stainless steel construction is rust-proof and durable, and the polished finish gives it a sleek, professional look. One standout feature is the smooth transition at the seams, which ensures flawless cuts and edges. The packaging is also impressive, coming in a strong color box that makes it an excellent gift option for the baking enthusiast in your life. However, keep in mind that this set is hand wash only, so if you prefer dishwasher-safe tools, you might find this a bit inconvenient. While the Makito set lacks the adjustable feature found on other cake rings in this list, its simplicity, durability, and versatility make it a solid choice for anyone looking to expand their baking arsenal. It's a great option for smaller cakes and other culinary creations, but its limited height and fixed sizes put it in 4th place on our list. Coming in at number 3 is the Doisy Supplies Cake Ring Set. This set offers a great balance between versatility and durability, with 4 rings in sizes of 4 inches, 6 inches, 8 inches, and 10 inches. Each ring has a depth of 2.5 inches, giving you plenty of room for creating layered cakes, mousse, and more. One of the biggest highlights of this set is the high-quality stainless steel construction. It's heat-resistant, corrosion-free, and dishwasher-safe, making it both durable and easy to maintain. The round shape is perfect for clean, neat cuts, and the rings are suitable for a wide variety of baked goods, from cakes to biscuits and chocolates. While the fixed sizes limit its flexibility compared to adjustable models, the variety of ring sizes included in the set ensures you'll have the right tool for most baking projects. This set is best suited for both professionals and home bakers who need a reliable, all-purpose set of cake rings. It features a 4.6-star rating with excellent reviews praising its durability and ease of use. However, it's slightly less innovative than some of the higher-ranked options, which is why it lands in the middle of our list. Taking the number 2 spot is the California Cade Electronic Adjustable Cake Ring. This product stands out for its adjustability, which allows you to create cakes ranging from 6 inches to 12 inches in diameter. With a height of 3.2 inches, it's an excellent tool for leveling, decorating, and even cutting layer cakes. The stainless steel construction is sturdy and resistant to high temperatures, making it suitable for both baking and assembling cakes. It's also dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup a breeze. The engraved size markers are a thoughtful addition, allowing you to adjust the ring with precision. However, it's worth noting that the edges can be sharp, so handle it with care, especially when washing. This cake ring is ideal for bakers looking for a single tool that can handle a variety of cake sizes. While it's not the most affordable option, its adjustability and build quality make it a worthwhile investment. The only thing keeping it from the top spot is its slightly heavier weight and the sharp edges, which might require extra caution. Finally, at number 1, we have the Daytona Cake Ring Extra High 15 cm Acetate Cake Collar Set. This product is a game changer for anyone serious about baking. With an adjustable diameter ranging from 6 inches to 12 inches and an impressive height of 15 centimeters, nearly 6 inches, this ring is perfect for tall, layered desserts. It even comes with a roll of acetate sheets, which makes removing cakes a hassle-free process. The build quality is excellent, with food-grade stainless steel that's both sturdy and lightweight. The ring features smooth, finished edges to prevent accidents, and the clear size markers make adjustments quick and easy. The included acetate sheets are a thoughtful addition for bakers who want to achieve professional-looking results every time. Additionally, this product is dishwasher safe, so cleanup is effortless. What sets the Daytona Cake Ring apart is its versatility and extra height, which is perfect for modern, tall-layered cakes. It's ideal for professional bakers and home enthusiasts who want to take their baking to the next level. With a 4.8-star rating, it's clear that this product delivers on quality and performance, making it our top pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful in choosing the best cake ring for your needs. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any questions about these products, drop a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Happy baking, and I'll see you in the next video.